Okay, so I want to show you how to sort your data based on months. So normally when you try to sort, if you come here now, then you see sort A to Z, which actually does not make sense for months. You just want to sort it based on the normal monthly like arrangement, like January, February, March, April, May. So how can you do that? Simply come here, then okay, go to data and click on sort, and this time around month cell values, click this drop down, then choose custom list. So this time around choose January to February, or if the month names you are using in full, just choose this. We are going to go with this and click on OK, and then OK. Now you've been able to sort your data according to the month.